Okay, so here is the Ehrenberg kitchen that is complete. And so we started over here with the fireplace, took out what was there, put in a different mantle, different tile around an existing fireplace, customized this mantle to look like the door, so we routed all those trim on the side. Floors were sanded and refinished. And here's the kitchen. So we went through this entire layout. Every cabinet has a function and has a reason for it being here. The client liked the idea of rollouts up top, which made sense. Big storage down below. Then they gave thought to everything they were putting inside these drawers, which I thought was really well done. Same thing here, rollouts. On the side in this corner, we decided that this was a really good place for all the trays and cutting boards, because it's right by can take them out, put them right on the counter. Very useful, very practical. We gave thought to the size of all these drawers. It's because it was going to fit the things that the client uses. We actually spent time talking about all of that. Trash pull out, a double. That's very, very common. Lazy Susan in the corner. Now these are what we call the Lemans. We really like these because of how easy they rotate out. And then the client knew specifically the products they were going to put on there. So they put them right up on the counter here, plug them in and use them. And you got two of them, one up above, one down below. Look how easy breezy those go in. There's two of them. Very nice. And you have the classic on either side of the cooktop. You have one. I really like having my knives and spatulas and fork on the one side. Very much like that. Then the client chose on the other side to have where these items were going to go. This corner is your classic rotating Lazy Susan, which we like that for this corner. So the idea is that we gave intention and thought for all of these cabinets. When you're cooking, next to your stove, you're able to come to the side, have all your spices. My feet don't move. We give thought to all of that. That's called good kitchen design. Love the idea of the island being a different color. Black plug put precisely located between the rail, which we really like. These cabinets, again, all had intention about what we were doing. And again, the plug there. And backsplash tile, obviously underlit LED lighting. And a beautiful kitchen and excellent clients.